Hello everyone. Friendly reminder that Valentine's Day is coming soon. If you're feeling more tart than sweet, here's an actually easy vegan recipe: raspberry shortbread cookie sandwiches. They're super tender but hold up well with a ton of flavor, and they make an adorable little gift. Let's bake these cuties. First, zest 1 lemon and set the zest aside. Cut the lemon in half and squeeze its juice into a small pot. Add in the frozen raspberries. Measure out the first part of the sugar and toss it in the pot. Mix well and make sure that the bottom of the pot is covered by raspberries. Set the pot to medium heat and stir occasionally. Next, take the second part of the sugar and add in some pectin. Make sure to mix well until the sugar and pectin become one. When the raspberries begin to boil, stir the pot more often and use your spatula to crush some of the raspberries. Once the raspberries look less chunky, take the pot off heat and add in the sugar pectin mixture in batches, stirring to make sure the pectin does not clump up. Once the sugar pectin mixture is completely mixed in, return the pot to medium heat until it reaches a soft boil for another minute or two. Then take the pot off the heat and transfer the jam into a shallow container to cool. Now, let's make the shortbread cookie. Allow your vegan butter to reach room temperature, then cream it in a bowl to make it smooth. Add in the powdered sugar and continue to cream for a few minutes until light and fluffy. Toss in the lemon zest if you want a nice tart flavor. Finally, add the flour in 2 batches. Use a spatula to mix it in before using a mixer to finish the dough. The dough is ready when you can press it together and it holds its shape. Now, set out a silicone mat or parchment paper and take out the dough to roll it out. I like to do half at a time. Press together the crumbly bits until they form a homogeneous dough. You can use another mat or a sheet of parchment to sandwich the dough while you roll it. Or you can use a tiny bit of flour on top to help with rolling. Be gentle and press the dough back together in increments to prevent cracks. Once the dough is a 1/4 inch thick, begin to cut out your cookies with a little space in between. On this sheet, I'm making the top of the cookie sandwich, so I'm cutting out hearts as well. Just remember to do another sheet without heart cutouts if you're doing this. Remove the dough surrounding the cookies, but don't toss it out. You can re-roll the dough about 3 times and get lots of cookies out of it. If you need to, you can transfer the cookies with a wide spatula. After you've cut out all of your cookies, place them in the fridge for at least 15 minutes. Heat up your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit or 160 degrees Celsius and bake the cookies, 1 sheet at a time, for 12 to 14 minutes. Let the cookies cool completely. Then flip the cookies over and fill them with the raspberry jam. To finish them, top with another cookie and press down very gently. So, do you plan to give these to someone lovely or just treat yourself? Either way, please treat me with liking this video and subscribing to my channel if you're into more cute vegan sweets. See what I did there? Anyway, I hope you enjoy these. Thank you for watching.